Will the new Prelude be Honda's return to the golden era of Japanese two-door sport coupes? Should Honda create a performance version of the new Prelude? Or is this just another vanilla hybrid two-door car? We're going to hop into Photoshop and explore what if Honda made a performance spec of the Prelude? What have I done? I'm probably seeing things, but tell me this doesn't look like a modernized version of a fourth gen Prelude. For many of us, the Prelude represents a nostalgic era of Japanese coupe that weren't really sports cars, but made you feel like you were driving a sports car. And now, with this car being positioned kind of strangely with its powertrain, it's going against things like the BRZ, the Mazda Miata, which the car does look fairly sporty. But with a hybrid powertrain, I think that could scare enthusiasts from modifying the car. So the next best thing would be for Honda to just build a performance version themselves. Okay, hopping into Photoshop and let's just start throwing in some stock photos of a bunch of the cars. We're gonna start off with, of course, the new Prelude, and I love this white color. Of course, they've been showing it in the white and also in the red. They've also got this heritage photo of the new latest gen Prelude with the first gen. And of course, yeah, still some of those design elements there. I definitely see the family resemblance there. And I want to take some of the elements of this. I love the way the Prelude has always had those kind of horizontal lines that are going through the design. All right, this is going to be fun. Let's start pulling in components from other cars. The Prelude, particularly in the later years, boasted a really sleek design. Long hood, wheels pushed out to the corners, very aggressive, and car that a lot of people wanted to take and modify, make it look like their own. The Prelude was also known for having pretty good handling and a fairly engaging driving experience. Features that were available like all-wheel steering, huge thing from the 90s, but it did enhance the agility and the responsiveness of the car. The Prelude almost always represented innovation and next-gen technologies for Honda, so it is fitting that this is their new entry into the two-door segment. In later generations, Honda did bring us the SH model, which was about as close as you got to a Type S, Type R version of the car. And with history like the Type R, the Integra Type S, the NSX, I don't think anybody would really bat an eye if Honda were to throw their performance division at this car. So we all know the 6th gen Prelude is going to be an electrified sport coupe that will debut the innovative Honda S Plus Shift feature designed to enhance the driving experience. Exactly what that means, I'm not 100% sure right now. But I mean, when you're talking about a car that you have the word shift in the name, it alludes to the fact that Honda wants this car to feel fun. So, as far as art style, I want to give this a little bit of a street feel to it, but also acknowledge that this car is a brand new piece of technology. This is riding into the future. So, what would that feel like for that community of Honda enthusiasts to rally around a brand new car and bring this into the fold as a genuine two-door sport coupe ready for the enthusiast that is forward and future focused with Honda? So now seeing the black wheels on here, I don't mind the black wheels, but I do think it needs an upgrade. So I might try to put those Type S wheels back on here, but I do like the blue Brimbos. That's kind of sick. No doubt the fastest way to paint your calipers is with Photoshop. There you go. Let's shift this into S plus mode and get this art finished. The wheels, yes. A little bit of badging, yes. The hood vent, absolutely. The front, uh, I really don't know what I like it. I don't. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look, drop a comment. I'm drop a comment. I'm done.
Ladies and gentlemen. With
What have I done?